Good morning, respected judges. I am thrilled to present you our intelligent AI-powered travel assistant, that is Smart Travel Mate, a one non-stop solution that transforms how we plan, book, and experience travel in today's digital era. From personalized trip curation to real-time assistance and post-trip intelligence, Smart Travel Mate integrates smart technologies, automation, and AI to provide a seamless, secure, and immersive travel experience. As we can see on the screen, let's begin with the core intelligence of our platform. It offers personalized recommendation for destination, stays, and activities based on user preferences, budget, and past behavior. The dynamic itinerary generator creates optimized, flexible travel plans that adapt to the traveler's pace and interest. Real-time alerts keep users informed about weather changes, visa requirements, and flight delays. For global accessibility, we have added multi-language translation for smooth communication abroad. With our 24/7 chatbot and voice assistant, users get real-time help anytime, anywhere. Next, Smart Travel Mate handles all your bookings effortlessly. Automated bookings for flights, hotels, and rentals save time and efforts. Our AI price tracker predicts the best time to book for maximum savings. Users can link their loyalty programs for reward point optimization. And finally, our engine surface exclusive AI-powered deals curated just for them. While on the trip, we offer continuous support. That is, first is emergency support connects users with local hospitals, police, and embassies instantly. Local insights, our AR navigations, the real-time expenses tracker helps users stay within their budget throughout the journey. Travel is often social, and we make that smarter too. Our group trip planner syncs multiple users' preferences and helps split cost easily. Social media integration highlights popular Instagrammable spots for content creators. And though local guide connects users and discover and book verified local guides for authentic experience. Next, the travel experience continues after the journey ends. AI travel journal auto-generate beautiful summarize with memories, locations, and highlights. Through feedback learning, Smart Travel Mate evolves with every trip, offering even smarter recommendation next time. Users also receive expenses reports, helping them track saving the plan and better future budgets. So judges, on screen, you can see three destination packages that highlight what our system can do. First is the Goa Beach Paradise, second is the Kerala Backwaters, and third is the Royal Rajasthan. We can add more options, but for till now we added the three options here. So whether you are dreaming of beachfront relaxation, tranquil waterways, or royal heritage and adventure, Smart Travel Mate make planning effortless and personal. When you choose a theme like Royal Rajasthan, our AI builds a full itinerary selecting the best stays, whether heritage, hotels, or boutique retreats, scheduling must-see landmarks with local insights, and suggesting cultural or dining experiences that match your style. 24/7 customer support. This is our value-focused option, perfect for budget-conscious travelers who still want comfort, convenience, and essential coverage. Each package is crafted by our AI intelligently, combining accommodations, transfers, sightseeing, and special services. Travelers can seamlessly upgrade or customize based on their preferences, whether they want luxury driver or service, extra excursion, or enhanced wellness options. We can add more features in these, but for till now we have these options. We have the book your AI plan trip now options also, where we have the AI optimization savings options also. So that's it.